So continuing on with some of these service repair program videos, if you are an owner of an iPhone 12 in 2022, this is by far one of the most important things I would recommend you to do as soon as you either pick up this iPhone or if you watch this video. Now what this specific problem is, essentially Apple not too long ago was experiencing a lot of iPhone 12s and actually iPhone 12 Pros, but I'll say that for a different video. A lot of these iPhones actually ended up having a no sound issue problem. So what this was apparently some iPhones could not either receive calls or they weren't able to receive some audio here and there, specifically within calls. And if you're an iPhone owner who actually experienced this problem, Apple will go ahead and fix this problem completely free of charge. So if you go ahead and make your way over to this website, I'll leave a link down in the description so you can go there, or you can just Google it and go from there. And essentially, I would recommend reading through this whole entire, little brief thing that I also posted on the screen and double checking and seeing if your iPhone experienced any of these issues. Because if your iPhone did experience any of these problems, well, chances are you may actually be able to go ahead and get it fixed by Apple completely for free. So how this fixing thing works is essentially you can either, send it into Apple to repair. So you put it in a box, print out the label that they give you and then ship it off. Or you can go ahead and bring it into an Apple store as well. And that's another big thing that you can do. Now, I am aware that Apple's, creating some sort of, service repair program yourself, so you can go and fix your iPhone with parts and everything they send you. I don't know if that's ever going to be a possibility for these type of service repair programs, but as of right now, those are the two main options that you have, and I would highly recommend you to go ahead and make your way over to this link and actually make sure that your iPhone 12 doesn't have these issues. Now, as far as we know, the iPhone 12 mini and the iPhone 12 Pro Max did not experience any of these issues. So if you have those iPhones, then you probably don't have to worry about it. It's specifically for the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 Pro. Now, the affected models of these iPhones were actually manufactured between October 2020 and April 2021. So that was actually quite a long period of time. It's not like just like a couple of days. So if you purchased one of the iPhones that came out the very first, day that you bought it, or if it was like the very first couple of months, well, if your iPhone has experienced any of these problems, or if you bought a used iPhone in this year and you're still experiencing some random no sound issues, well, Apple will probably end up fixing it completely for free. So what I'd recommend doing, like I mentioned, make your way over there, contact Apple support, and let them know that your iPhone probably has these issues. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.